fly right now.
We got the plan. Okay, this is what's gonna happen.
Hey. Game plan.
Alright. I'm gonna open up the door. Real quiet, like. Alright?
Hey.
Who are we getting?
Okay. Here's who's a part of this. Shav,
I'm briefing.
Brian,
I'm giving the brief.
Corn Dog, Court,
Courtney, way to the
Lindy, Linda Man,
No.
Farrell, way to the camera.
Farrell.
Alright, listen up. Alright. This is what's gonna happen.
Attention, boys. Attention.
At $0-200,
Approximately.
Canada
right
Shop
We know.
is gonna open up the door quietly.
2.
Canada Brian is going to stealthily move in some motherfucking Beek's room.
At the angle of about
0201 hours.
right.
He's going to apply the air horn.
I'm just gonna be
Right.
Motherfucker Beek is going to shit his pants, throw up, get cancer in his eye. Ready?
Break.
Deploy.
Here we go.
Hey.
Corn stealth.
Night vision, motherfucker. Stealth as fuck. Stealthy.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize. Deploy eardrums. 3, 2, 1.
Look at his eyes. Look at Beek's eyes. He's dead. He's so dead right now. He doesn't even know what's going on. Beek's dead. Look at Brian. Brian, blow the air out.
That is the funniest thing.
I've ever seen in my
Retreat!
Retreat!